हेलो।
हाँ सर वो।
Hmm. Uh, in the last lecture, we have studied up to set, relation, function. Now, today we start with the basic, that is introductory part of vector space and uh, its sub definition, some examples of vector spaces. So, first of all, uh, in the linear algebra, so what is linear algebra? The term linear algebra is an essence of branch of mathematics that studies the vector spaces and system of linear equation. म्हणजे काय की लिनियर अल्जेब्रा मध्ये काय वेक्टर स्पेसेस, लिनियर सिस्टम ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन आणि त्याच्या रिलेटेड सम टर्मिनॉलॉजी आपण शिकणार आहे. ठीक आहे. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, लेट अस डिफाइन सम नोटेशन for some sets, that is capital N. This is capital N for set of natural number, capital Z for set of integer. Z plus means what? Set of all positive. ठीक है. This is what? Set of all positive integer including 0. Q is what? Set of rational number. R is what? Set of real. Again, this R plus is what? Set of all positive real number, and C is what? Set of complex number. ठीक है. Now, so next, now, so what is Cartesian product? So before this lecture we study the set, its subset, function. So what is Cartesian product? So for Cartesian product we require two sets. Okay. So that is, now let set A and set B be any two non-empty set. So Cartesian product of the set A and B is denoted by A cross B and is defined as Cartesian product of A cross B is what? Collection of order pair of the type A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So this defined as the Cartesian product. याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Cartesian product. Okay. Now, in general, if two sets are different, so Cartesian product of A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay. So, in general, this is not happened. Okay. Now, for example, if I have taken this example, let A is set, okay, and now A is set containing x and y element and B is containing 1, 2, 3. Then A cross B is what? First of all, take the elements, take the element from this. First element from A and second element from B. This is what? Okay. So x comma 1 first element, then x comma 2, x comma 3. First element is constant and the second element. Then change the first element of order pair, the y comma 1, y comma 2, y comma 3. So this is what Cartesian product. So let R is a set of real numbers. So R plus R is what? R square. That is what? Plane. Okay. Now then binary operation. So what is binary operation? So let G be any non-empty set and define a binary operation. So this binary operation is what? A function. This. how it define as, that is, it is denoted by this circle, this notation, and it is a function from G cross G. What is G cross G? G cross G is what? Already we have defined Cartesian product. So this is what? Cartesian product of G cross G. G cross G to this G. And how this is defined? For all A comma B belongs to G, its product, that is what? A star B belongs to G. Means what? For example, if A equal to 1 and B equal to 2, and here this circle is equal to, this binary operation is plus, then A circle B is what? 1 plus
1 plus 2.
B is what? 1 and B is what?
2.
2. So this is what? 1 plus 2, that is 3. And if this 3 belongs to G, means what? This A circle B belongs to G, then this circle is what? It is what? Binary operation. Means this is what? काय म्हणता येईल याला आपण? Binary operation.
Binary operation.
ठीक आहे? Now next, that is group. So what is group? So group is a algebraic structure and hello.
हा सर बोला ना. स्क्रीन दिसत नाही सर आता.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही ना? जी दिसत आहे आता?
हा सर.
हाँ?
हो सर.
What is group? So this structure is already we have studied now. Group is what? It is a order pair Z comma circle. We have already defined circle is what? Binary operation. This circle is binary operation defined on set G, and if this order pair, or we can say याला काय म्हटलं आपण याच्या आधी? अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक आहे? अल्जेब्रिक ठीक आहे? यालाच काय म्हटलं आपण? अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर म्हणतो. ठीक आहे? And if this algebraic structure satisfy these three conditions, so associativity first, then existence of identity element in G. So what is existence of identity? There exists an E belongs to G such that A circle E equal to E circle A equal to A. Means what? E असा एक एलिमेंट असू की त्याला कोणत्याही एलिमेंटनं त्याचा प्रॉडक्ट जर केला तर काय येईल? तो ए झाला पाहिजे. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल काय, की जर तुमचं सर्कल, मी आता एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं होतं, सर्कल काय घेतलं? बायनरी ऑपरेशन प्लस. ठीक आहे? सर्कल काय घेतलं? प्लस. म्हणजे या जी वर जर, आणि तुमचं जी काय लेट जी इक्वल टू झेड सेट ऑफ इंटिजर घेतलं मी, ठीक आहे. यामध्ये काही ए इज एनी एलिमेंट प्लस 0. या 0 मध्ये या ए मध्ये 0 जर ऍड केला तर काही कोणत्याही एलिमेंट मध्ये 0 जर ऍड केला तर काय होईल? ए ऑलवेज ए इज व्हॉट? इट इज इंटिजर. इंटिजर मध्ये कोणताही जरी 0 ऍड केला 1 प्लस 0 व्हॉट इज
1
1. 2 प्लस 0
2.
ठीक है. So like that. So 0 is what? Identity element in Z. ठीक है. So like that, E is any element in G which satisfy this condition, and that E is called identity element of the group G. ठीक है. Now inverse. Inverse. So how we can define this property? That is, for each element in G, there exists A inverse in G such that A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to E. म्हणजे काय? इनव्हर्स एलिमेंट काय की जर कोणत्याही दोन एलिमेंटचा जर प्रॉडक्ट जर आयडेंटिटी जर येत असेल, ई काय म्हटलं आपण? आयडेंटिटी. तर त्याला काय म्हणू आपण? एक्झिस्टन्स ऑफ आयडेंटिटी. ठीक आहे. नाव हाऊ दॅट इज, एक मिनिट सरांचा फोन येत आहे. हॅलो.
हा सर बोल.
हा. सो दिस इज एक मिनिट कुठे होतं? इथे. So this, if this satisfy condition, then A star A circle A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to E. Then this property is called existence of inverse in G. And if this all three conditions satisfy this algebraic structure, then this algebraic structure is called group. So ठीक है. So we say, आता पहा आपण बायनरी ऑपरेशन कंडिशन पाहिली याच्या आधी, पुढे मागे. सो तिथे काय केलं की ए सर्कल बी बिलॉंग्स टू डी. ठीक आहे. जर कंडिशन जर सॅटिस्फाय जर केली तर त्याला काय म्हणू आपण? बायनरी ऑपरेशन म्हणून. सो लाईक दॅट दिस इज ऑल्सो, we also say this condition is what? Closed. The set under the binary operation circle if and only circle is a binary operation on G. ठीक है. Now
ओके सर.
now see. So एक मिनिट.